Breaking news, December 1st, 2025, Juba City. Good evening and welcome to North Global News. We begin with breaking news from Juba City, where a large fire has swept through part of the busy custom market this Monday evening. The blaze erupted near the South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation compound in the Nyakuron neighborhood, destroying several shops and triggering a major emergency response. Firefighters battled the flames for hours to stop the fire from reaching the national broadcaster's premises. Authorities are still investigating the cause of the fire, and so far no casualties have been reported. The incident comes just one day after the Juba City Council enforced a ban on street vendors in both custom and Konyo markets. This is all we have for now on. The fire incident at Custom Market in Juba, the Minister of Information and official government spokesperson, Aitini, arrived at the scene and confirmed that although the damage was severe, firefighters managed to protect the SSBC building. He described the blaze as extremely intense, with heat felt even from inside the broadcaster's compound. We will continue to follow this developing story and bring you updates as more information becomes available. The president relieved Garang Majak Bol from his position as First Undersecretary of Finance and appointed Kuol Daniel Ayulo in his place. Ayulo is not new to the role he previously served in the same position before he was removed from office. As usual, no official explanation was given for the shakeup. Reacting to the announcement, Edmund Yakani, the executive director of the Community Empowerment for Progress organization, expressed concern about the frequent changes in leadership within the Ministry of Finance and Planning. He warned that constant reshuffles could weaken the ministry, making it vulnerable to corruption and malpractice. Yakani stressed that appointments and removals should be based on performance and merit, adding that ongoing reshuffles make President Salva Kiir Mayardit has announced a new change in the Ministry of Finance and Planning to the way on Monday, 2nd of December, 2025. In a decree aired on the South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation, even more difficult to achieve, especially when officials accused of wrongdoing are not publicly held accountable.
Welcome to the heart of Africa, where culture meets creativity.
Join us on North Global News, your ultimate channel for inspiring news and stories across the continent.
From the deep traditions of South Sudan and Ethiopia,
to the rhythm of African music, the power of sports, the rise of technology, and the beauty of our wildlife and nature, this is Africa Reimagined.
Share our stories. Keep Africa united through culture, knowledge, and pride.
Uniting Africa through stories and culture.
Subscribe now to North Global News. Share Africa's culture with the world.